Good morning everyone and welcome to this week's assembly. Today the amazing students from Room 18 will be presenting their assembly item. So sit back and enjoy it. I heard it might just frizzle your whiskers. In Room 18, we've been learning about crystals.
The scientists and use many important skills like researching, observing, solving, and even experimenting.
What are you doing? Isn't it obvious? We're digging for crystals.
Huh?
Did you know that crystals are formed deep in the ground when really hot liquid rock called magma cools? As different magma cools, different minerals harden and come together in a orderly fashion.
Orderly fashion?
Yes, what do they consider a crystal? The molecules need to line up in a repeated pattern like little geometric shapes fitting together to make a big shape. Depending on what minerals come together determines the shape and colour. Diamonds, rubies, sapphires and emeralds are all formed this way.
Diamonds, rubies, sapphires, emeralds.
Another place you could find crystals is somewhere in your home. Can you guess where?
That's right, your kitchen. Your kitchen is full of crystals.
Crystals you find in your kitchen including salt, sugar, jelly powder, even ice. Many of the crystals that you find in your kitchen are formed through evaporation.
What is evaporation? Have you ever seen the ground steaming after it has been raining on a warm day? That's evaporation. Evaporation happens when liquid heats up and disappears into the air as steam or water vapor.
Crystals like salt are mixed up in liquid, and as it evaporates, it leaves the crystals behind. Wow, did you know we eat crystals?
I love the way crystals are formed in the laboratory.
Crystals that form in the ground take thousands of years, so scientists have developed a way to make crystals in a lot less time.
We turned our classroom into a laboratory made of very rare crystals. Let's take a look. One type of crystal we made was a geode. A geode is a circular hollow rock and crystals form inside it over thousands of years. We didn't have that much time, so we took a bit of a short.
First, we carefully painted glue inside an eggshell and sprinkled some alum powder. Alum powder is a cooking ingredient. This creates a seed where we want our crystals to grow.
Once the glue was dry, we got a jar and filled it with 1 cup of hot water and added food colouring. Next, we put 1 tablespoon of alum powder in and stirred until the powder had dissolved. Then we put more alum powder in and stirred some more.
Next, we carefully placed our egg into the jar and delicately pushed it down with a spoon. Then we waited. As the heated alum solution cools, the floating particles of alum powder begin to slip into the bottom of the glass and crystallizing.
These tiny crystals are attracted to the alum powder seeds we put in the egg earlier on. They slowly attach themselves to the seed and grow by repeatedly fitting together like a jigsaw. And after one day, we were left with this. The other type of crystal we made was a ball cluster crystal. First we chose our colour pipe cleaner and then we bent it into the shape that we wanted.
Next we put one hot cup of water, and then we put into a jar, and then we added some borax powder and stirred it until it all dissolved. Borax powder is a type of water.
After we attached our pipe cleaner to a pencil with a piece of string, then we hung it into the liquid.
The floating borax particles attached themselves to those crystals in an orderly and repeating way. Within a couple of hours, you could see our crystals beginning to form. After an evening, we had these.
Wow. Wow. Wow, how amazing, but that's not all. Next, here are some amazing crystal poems. Crystals can be rare, crystals can be shiny, crystals can be dull, crystals can be tiny, crystals can be huge, crystals can be round, crystals can be spiky, crystals can be found. Amazing crystals. Most crystals are hard and rough, but some are soft like glass. Wait, where is the word crystal from? The word crystal is from the word cryoscope, a Greek word meaning ice cold. Crystals come in many different shapes and sizes. Crystals are amazing. Next, we are going to learn other ways crystals are used and how it affects the society and the environment when we give them up.
Well, I'm sure we dazzled you, so make sure you come and ask the scientists of Rebecca and see what we're going to learn next.